Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to just add a custom Google search engine inside your website. You can see this is the custom search engine that we will be adding it inside our website. So you can see this is my website freemediatools.com. So if I just search anything here, let's suppose if I search free media tools and click on search, you will see in the nice alert window it will show only the results which are related to my website. So you can see all the URLs which are related to my website. So any you can see I can go to the second page here. So in the website itself, so the visitor don't want to leave the website, so it can easily search your website. So you can add the search engine. Let's suppose there is a service inside my website which is let's suppose minify. I want to search for minify inside my website, so you will see minify json code online. So here if I click this result, I will be redirected to my actual website. You can see like this. And one other service I have, which is you can see minify raw html. So this also increase your website views also. So I will highly recommend that you add this Google search engine. It is totally free, you don't not need to pay anything. I will be showing you the step-by-step process on how to add this. So let's suppose I have audio related service as well. So it will only show the search results which are related to your website. So this is very much important. So now to go about the things, I will highly recommend that you go to the video description, go to my blog, step by step process I have illustrated on how to do this thing. Just go to the video description and follow along with this video. So this is my blog here, and here first of all what you need to do is that you need to go to this URL, which is programmable search engine. So basically we will use this programmable search engine which is brought to you by Google. It's a Google service that it is providing you. So it's a ready-made search engine that is Google is providing you. You did not have to do anything. Just click on the get started button, and then you will be seeing all the search engines that you have created here. And now you need to simply click this option, new search engine. So click this option, and now you need to tell the search engine what websites that the search engine can display the search results. So I will target my website, which is, let's suppose in this case, Coding Shiksha. This is my again a blog website, as you know, codingshiksha.com. And after that, guys, you need to put a www.codingshiksha.com. This is the syntax that you want to use, and put a slash here. And then after the slash, this is very much important, you need to put this asterisk sign. So this simply means that this will display all the results which are related to your website. You can see this asterisk sign is very much important. Now you can even provide the name of the search engine. So the default is Coding Shiksha. This is good. You can even add multiple websites as well, but for my scenario only I want to display the Coding Shiksha results. And then you can change the language as well. If you want, default language is English, I just want English language. And then you can click the create option. So this will create your search engine. It will take some time. And now you can see, congratulations, you have successfully created your search engine. You can just get the public URL also like this. So this is your public URL. Now you can search anything here. Let's suppose I want to search JavaScript related blocks on my website. If I click this, you will see now it will display the JavaScript related blocks. You can see Coding Shiksha, all the results which are related to JavaScript. Now you can go to the second page as well. So you can see. So this is a nice way. If your visitors are coming on your website, if you want to uh, search articles on your website, so it's a totally ready-made solution that is brought to you by Google. You need not have to make it. So by this way you can also increase your website views also, because many a times visitors don't find the articles that they want to. In this way you can add the search engine. And now the practical way is that you can click the get code option, and then you need to copy paste this JavaScript code here. So simply copy this, and they also shown the CHTML example as well. So you need to create a HTML file. For doing this, we will create a HTML file. So I will just delete all this code. So make a HTML file, and I will make a template here. Bootstrap is not required, guys. I'm just taking the template here. So inside this body tag, you need to paste all this code that you copy pasted from the website. So just simply copy paste it. And now you simply need to go to my blog here. I have styled it a little bit. The styling is not important. Still, you can go to my blog and copy paste the code here. You can see. You simply need to copy the style tag here like this. So simply copy this, and here you can paste it here. So you can see, paste it. So we are just styling the body here, providing a background image. We are linear gradient and color we are changing. So now if I refresh my, you can see now it has added this search engine. So simply I can, if I want here Python, if I search Python, and if I search here, so it will show it in a nice window. So this is very much important. The visitor don't want to leave your website, it will show all the results in a nice window here, and the two results are add here, so you need not have to see it. After the ads, then it will show all the SERPs, which is search results of your website, all the Python related. You can see that the next results will be there on the next page. So if a visitors click on this link and goes to your website, this will be there inside the organic traffic. So from this way, your organic traffic will also increase on your website. So this will send good signals to Google that visitors are searching your website and then going to your website by the search engine. So this is very much important. You need to be also be increasing the organic traffic also. So by this way, you can even increase the organic traffic. So it's a great way. Just we want to input your own website here. I have illustrated all the steps. Still, if you have any sort of confusion, you can go to my blog here, which is given in the video description. All the steps are illustrated image. You can see I have illustrated all the steps. Go to the video description, go to the blog. And thanks very much for watching this video. And guys, please check out my free media tools website here. I have created a total of 130 tools are there, tools related to audio, image, and video. So please check out this website and share it with your friends if you like it. And thanks very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.